Hello everyone, this is Anu again, and I'm back in the kitchen making some yummy paratha. Anaya is in the mood for paneer paratha today, so that's what we're making. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. Of course, there's lots of paneer. I have grated the paneer. I'm using homemade, but you can take from a store. Then goes green chilies. This is 1 green chili per paratha. Finely chopped onions, grated ginger, and coriander leaves. Hara dhania gives a nice flavor. And here goes our masalas. A lot of chaat masala in here. And red chili flakes. I'm using Varun's garam masala. The recipe of this is already on our videos. And bhuna zeera powder. And of course salt to taste. I'm just gonna mix all of these nicely. This is very soft paneer and it will become like a little ball by the time I'm done mixing it. Okay, so I have already made our dough earlier. There is a little bit of salt and topped it with oil. There is no maida or all-purpose flour in this. This is made with whole wheat. And I'm gonna take a big blob of it. Here goes, just rolling it like a normal paratha. So I've rolled it out quite large. This is going to be a big paratha, and all the stuffing goes into just one. We do want every mouthful to have a lot of paneer, so I'm cutting it only till the center, not all the way across. And here I'm going to start rolling. Look how pretty it looks. And then I will just press it down. So I'm going to get a lot of layers in here. And then of course I have to put some dry flour. There's plenty of dry flour in here. I'm going to make it thinner with very slight pressure, not too hard, otherwise it'll all come out. And if it does, no problem. We just put it back in there and roll it again. Now that we have rolled it out nice and big, we're just going to roast it gently on one side before putting ghee. I like to put ghee in my paratha. Sometimes I put butter depending on what I'm making. Amara likes butter on the aloo paratha, but because it's for the kids and I'm Punjabi, I use a lot of ghee. Our pan is on medium heat so that it will cook through and I will get the brown spots. It should not be on high heat, otherwise we will definitely burn our nice stuffed parathas. Here our paratha is ready. I love the brown color on it. It's a nice big paratha and it is super hot. Let me show you. Wow, look at the filling in there. It's all over. Can you see? Every bite is gonna have it. And that's how it turns out really good. I'm sure Anaya is gonna love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.